Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. A very special one, guys. It's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos are very special, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, comment, and also share my videos. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So on today's videos, guys, it's a little bit motivation videos. So I'm trying to motivate maybe young youth outside there. For example, my age mates, when Hello Baby can make it, or when Hello Baby can try to make it, why not you? So probably as I speak here, I'm taking to my uncle's construction site. So right now we have the plumber right there. So let's see how the work it's going, guys. Learning slowly. I will get better to know more things. And as you can see, guys, right now the weather is so good. You can see the clouds and the sun was coming from this side. This is the sun. You see the rays for the sun, like going like, that's the ray for the sun, guys. When you see on my finger, that's the ray from the sun. Direct, that's the sun right here. What a beautiful, amazing day from East Africa, Kenya, the Nyabuhansi village to the one. So right now, guys, let me take you around, and then I'm taking you to other side of the projects and to see what's going on, guys. I want to say thank you so much, guys, by supporting me, watching my videos every day. And all my videos, sometimes I do surprise, sometimes I do building and construction. You see, I was building the toilet and then the borehole, and then I support my uncles to build the toilet. And probably one of your fans made it possible. My uncle got 3 bags of cement free of charge, guys. And I made a videos. The video is just over there. For the first time surprising my uncle with 3 bags of cement. I can't complain anymore, but we're heading this way. let's go. Imagine, guys, the nature from the village are very nice. You have the free stones. You can sit here and maybe making stories. Sometime when it's too hot outside there, I came to chill on this forest here, uploading my videos. Sometime to be honest, when I was premiering my videos, I was sitting here to have a good vibe, good nature, you know. So guys, let me take you to my uncle's project. I want to see what is going on. And guys, please, if you are learning maybe the building maybe for the first time, let me take you there and you'll see what's going on. But for my returner subscriber, thank you so much for coming to my channel by watching my videos. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And guys, in case you meet any videos that have ads, please guys watch my ads. At least at the end of the month I can make something new. Let's see this month what I'm going to make it, and something new is coming out, you know. But probably we keep pushing, man. Look, guys, it's calm, cherry forest, you know, right here. Wow, guys, right now before I started building my mom's dream house, I have a big dream to go in Mombasa to relax there, and then some couple of 3 to 4 days, and then I came back home. I started building, you know. Sometime I went outside there to settle my mind, to learn something new here and there, you know. It's slowly, pole. Let's go, guys. Look that view, man. It's gonna be like, you know, like, I'm telling you guys, that's the reason why most of the time I shoot the videos passing here, and then to have that view right there. Hey. So where I'm standing, this road going to Nyabuhansi, that one here is going to Border Town. Most of the time, guys, if you're watching videos every day, you see me heading to Border Town, heading to Nyabuhansi, you know. And as I speak right now here, maybe I'll go to wash my baby because it's dirty. When I'm saying that, I mean last, like on yesterday, it's raining, the rain of cat and dogs, and we can't complain. When it's raining, people can plant something on the farm. Right now here we have the sweet potatoes vein. People can harvest sweet potatoes, others are planting maize, others digging digging the maize, uprooting unwanted weeds from the farm, and then maize remaining clean. Others are planting sweet potatoes, others are planting banana, but I think one of these days I'm going to prepare a small kitchen garden for my family. And guys, on the comment section I had, hello baby, don't buy kales, don't buy tomatoes. Soon I want to start a small kitchen garden for my mama, at least to plant onions, to plant kales, maybe even tomato. I would try to plant, but when I was in primary school, I'm trying to plant kales and also onions. Where you see some trees, where I build the toilets and everything, from the borehole up to the toilets, man, let me tell you one thing. I planted a lot of kales. Even people came to buy our kales at home, and then mama sell it to have some cash on her pocket, and then boom. Let's go. Wow. I was waiting this day, and then finally the day is already reached. So I want to show you some steps of the plumbing, nothing to be hide back. And also it's the same plumber who do plumbing on my toilet, and like toilets, 2 bots of toilets, and then a bathroom, so nothing to be hide. If you're watching video since I was starting the toilets, and then you see brought the plumber, it's the same guy. Wow. Look guys, how my village looks like. That's the maze right here, and on other sides the house that you see, that's the part of my family. But let me say extended, this is extended family, maybe nuclear family. You have one house there, another one right there. But like my great grandpa, that's the brother for my great grandpa on other side. I'm telling you. Let's go guys. And to be honest, yesterday I was paying a visit to my brother, or paying visit at Gake's home, where he built her mama dream house. And he really motivates me, so right now I'm just gather the material on the ground, and then one day I'll demolish this house, like boom, one day. So right now what I'm remaining with is to buy 1,800 blocks that are remaining. And guys, the good thing about me, I'm share with you the price. Maybe one day when you come to Africa, you have a land you want to build, and then you say, okay, I watched Hello Baby official said the blocks, like 700 blocks, goes to 53,000 Kenyan shillings. That's $500. Maybe when you come, maybe they will add maybe the money on top, maybe let me say 20 USD on top, or 30 USD on top. But right now, what I mean, I'm trying to share with you the cost price of the sand, the cost price of the stones, balance stones, cement, nothing to be hide. Sometime I went to the market, I share with you the cost price of the cow. A cow like this, goes maybe to, this one goes to maybe to $200 in the market, maybe roughly. But when the cost price goes higher, it can go to $300. This one that you see here, I'm telling you, right now it's eating these stuffs from the banana, say hello. Okay. And guys, this trees that you see here, it belonged to my brother, you know. So I talked with my brother when the time which I want to cut these trees. Actually, guys, even today I can cut, but I'm waiting the owner to have it that when harvest season it's reached, when it's they or he or she they can harvest that maize. I'll cut these trees down and then split timber for the roofing of the house for my mama which is coming, and then I'll start uprooting the logs. So when I'm saying the logs, I mean this. Try to imagine this is a log, but look where the roots go. It's going up to other side. Look. So that's the reason why I'm trying even on the other side where I construct the borehole and also the toilet. I'll cut these trees, blue gum. Guys, take my instruction carefully. Blue gum are not good around the homestead or around the home like this. Let me tell you example. These roots come going to house, and then look at this. Look, it goes and then make this house to be cracked. Look. So maybe somebody say, okay, hello baby, what's up? I'm telling you, this is an example that I give you, because this house, when I'm trying to demolish this one, it will be go and cut this half, because my mom's house is so big, 3 rooms and maybe large 3 bedroom. And then look, this is the roots that we have here. Wow. Me, I'm trying to give you free advice. So these trees are not supposed to be here. Maybe you plant far away from your home. Let's see another one here. Right here, that's my grandma home or my dad's parent home. And even I forgot about, guys. Maybe when I was born, I found one house here. Maybe they migrate from other side, but these are the blocks that we have here. And then right now, something, when I want to do something, I do in at my own pace, I mean in another way. So this one I bought at $500. That's 53,000 Kenyan shillings. And then all the way from Nairobi up to here. Wow. And also the crazy thing about these blocks, you can stay here over 2 years, 1 year. I asked the my engineer, my blocks, did you get any problem? He told me no problem, it can stay there over all over 1 year. And then, guys, one of my subscribers said, hello baby, just buy the polythene paper and then you cover to secure your blocks. So let me tell you one thing, this one is just okay, and when it's raining, it's like be more concrete. Wow. Before I go there, we have the stones here, and then this 6th trip, and then also my engineer told me you must add 2 trips. Let's see how the day goes. You know, this water was working over 6 to 7 months, close to 1 year. And then maybe when I bought and then pour at the same ground, maybe somebody came from outside, they think that, oh hello baby, he bought at one at a time. No. Me, I'm just buying slowly, little. Cow grazing here. Look. Oh, this is my mom's cow. They are grazing her. Okay, before I go there, let me go and greet my grandma and then say hello to her. Well, say hello. When I'm around at home here, guys, sometimes I support my family here and there as I can. But when maybe something it's hard to me, I wanna leave it. This is where my brothers was making bricks, and then it helped me to build, to finish building our toilet and also the balcony, or we call the porch. Woo. This is my great grandma home, right here. Oh, kigutakuna. Shawarutuki. Oh my God. That's my great grandma. When I'm just around at home, I say hello. Kiskare mwere. Waso kiskare. Kiskare yons.
Kana kino kuburia. Ni hana mogotara kubara hayumba nyoba mura. Nkimutanya hata mukungwa rero ngo murente muto.
Kote byo kwali. Wana betara kuri.
Timurari murente muramucha bigo turakuira mogoko. Nuguzika na tuara tara. Mutebya nanga mutebya. Ona mwenda tu. Also, guys, we have banana here. Look at this. I'm asking my great grandma, nowadays did you like put banana to be ripened? You know, back years they were cutting banana and then keep it in a store, and then the banana ripe, and then we start eating. So this one is matoke for cooking, guys. Right here. Right here, right here, right here. I'm telling you, in our village here, farming is our backbone. What are wow. So right now I was greeting my great grandma, so let me head to this side to see the work that is supposed to be done today. And I'm telling you, as I speak right now here, from the bottom of my heart, our family is somehow at large. You have over more than 20 people, and then maybe we need to have extra toilet like this one here at the side, and then maybe sometime when we have the events or the party here, we have extra toilet. This is the balance toss. Bora punguza muziki. Achore mere hanu igore gato hikere kumusingi. Atare boy. Awetere. Guys. See right here. This is the pipe for generating from inside there. Maybe like the waste going to this side here. Look. Hey. Let me show you guys. Chacha koroga chacha. Hakuna pipe hapo. Hoya, mambo vipi? Fresh yani. Si tuko mzigoni. Tuko
wako. Chacha.
Yani hapa kazi tu bro.
Kazi tu. So you want to set the sink?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Asian type. So you want to install the toilet?
Yeah, guys. It's the same plumber who do plumbing on my toilet. And also, guys, the same plumber who done plumbing at Brother Dagi. It rotates. So they wanna set the sink right here, and then waste to run. Chacho we. Yo manganaga. Tora go to more. Asia.
Yaro tuko kazini mzigoni mzee. Yaani uyaro wako.
Standard what?
Hii ni nani? Hii ni Bridgestone nani?
Champion.
Champion League mzee.
Mzee.
Tuko fresh yani. Yaani level yani. No problem. No problem.
Bora hano turaturi igamu. Kuminyo hai.
Kana hiyo chiro ni kucho kikala sasa.
Tuyembele koreo.
Koreo.
Koreo means spread, this one here. Koreo is a Swahili word. Senda mone kokoto.
Kana mbeno sasa lazima utengeneze mazingira ndio wete kokoto.
Tuko kibao huku. And then also this is a toilet. Right now here is a washroom. And then they will do cleaning. Maybe when they will put. Ewe sa kevun chirimo.
Sasa no raga ndikehenda ke. Kisuki wangu kwambia kitorare kwa.
Anga maambi no bihan.
Yeso nkama kuna bukongo kinombe niryo gotwana.
Chacha. Warotate walichimbira.
Nalichimbire. Naga sasa narambukira. Tanga
Yani su chote man kokoto ya kubukubu. No tore kigari hara. Ubu mali kuri neko. Mimi nakupa shortcut. Manu, tata here hamumura. Ero noleka. Mbakora agere bigo toma kugata huri. So guys, after this they're going to mix zege, means concrete. Anakasema ni leo humara. Ukule bara pedi chindi. So they want to mix concrete. Agora abdamoli por mo koraga dirish. Abdamoli mo koraga dirish. Agu so tore ntambe. Itakuwa sawa sasa. Asita tosha.
Yes.
Siwambie walete ingine. Mwaga yote hapa. There's a cement. Nige nongota chere kusimiti. Simiti takuharibu miguu.
Inaharibu kaujazoea.
Umezoea? Weka na ndoo.
Ada mangana kupesara. Ubuya mwangu kumawale bangala tuwa.
Wow guys. Nani? So ununue. Kwa siku unalipo shilingi ngapi? Nikwambia utainunua. Kwa siku unafanya shilingi ngapi? 400. Mimi kwa siku 40. Hiyo ni miezi mingapi? Mwezi mmoja na kama na siku 10 juu. Susha inunua.
Na kuhaya hiyo siku moja.
Siwezi haya ni kamera.
Bora.
Hii ni working tools yangu bana.
Kwani siku na siku uko free. Wewe utaniambuta umefanya kazi siku zote. Kujie Sunday.
Fanyia nini?
Upigie content. Bora gube ni haisha kumstaki kijana.
Guys, that guy want to hire my camera and then I told him it's not advisable to hire my camera. Sasa hii si ya kupiga picha gacha hema.
Yaani kupiga picha. Bora da record video.
Uko YouTube.
Usijali. Utapige content hata yeye.
Okay. So this one is for the bathroom right there. Okay. Wow guys, so that's the work they're going on here.
Yanaweza nipige maji. Mimi napenda kutengeneza ajeni. Maneno hizi kwa leo.
Mano, hunter shortcut. Mweke basi maji.
Bora simu yangu live.
Maji za Swahili words means water. Adding of what? And then guys, I will show you the final concrete right here. Nunupunahi nani? Chacha the plumber. Simbaki pite mwisho hayo.
Sasa kwa trai. Haji.
Kwenye menani meanzi hapo.
Sogea mbele kidogo, sogea mbele, sogea mbele.
Sipo kuna iribo chacha.
Sogea mbele. Hakuna iribo, hakuna nini.
Au kuna mano?
Kuna mano natii hapo.
Ngoe hikiri vya vimene nki.
Kumeno kwa.
Engeri gari vile. Vipi? Toa tere bustari.
Kana mano ole nyumana tuko para sa. Kata.
Baku otyo moyo sayeni.
Musa marapa kan hanu kuni ida ikala marapa uga. Mpa kole.
Menda kazi. Eri chembe mara.
Kanu changamuke.
Kore menda kazi.
Kuna sanga nini bro?
Mchanga nini sina ngoja alete mchanga. Hiyo tata.
Mblai watu wote. Dekachika wewe mblai tena. Kucheka jet.
Wame mara mbaka kwa siku mtu mbaku smile.
Asu unaenda wapi tata?
You got it. And between there guys you have a man. Also have is a man. Okay, and then it's fake. Hivi inakuanga udongo ama plastic? Mano. So guys, they're mixing sand and cement to create mortar. See guys, quick and fast. Oh guys, then put inside here. This is the work right here. You see the sink, the mistake here. You know they keep trying to tag someone. Right, my house will keep a Torano some. Right here, guys. Hey,
Mana esta isi nera tego tora no para yaki chusane esta isi nera tora ni tigiro mari onda.
oh, so guys, do the sink right here. And then that's where food go. Like there. And also do the bathroom. You see this corner? This water will go direct to the mano. Right now they're doing screening. I escaped. Wow. They trying to come. Wow. Quick and fast. So they are mixing concrete right now here. So we have the cement. The water right there. Wow. Okay. Right here with the mortar for creating the man. Hey, that's for the bathroom.
Yung to kita yung no takangay ni.
Pero kasi torasa yung bimiyor.
Nakara.
Studio na sa kahira.
Takara.
Mga ngon hanu ngo.
Koro moro trago niya. Ba hutay.
Ano super kiberito asya
Kana bata ni kibiri to kalente ka. Tige ke go kan tutto. Kana ko.
And what is going there?
Okay, bige.
Burning spear.
Ini kena kerasi. Tiri gamba pitirente.
Okay, guys. We don't want to light fire, guys. Right there.
Got to put the fire on. Ayan.
Okay, guys. Ano ba? Isa na mabisi.
Kaya nga nakipon.
I can get you. Put fire on. Hey. Oh, cha. Don't fix that. Hey, it must be slanting. Yinyeng cha. Naraka ro.
Okay ba? Put something here.
Right there, guys. Now, look at the side.
Ano na macam motor ano?
Guys, right now at the same time when the work is going on there, so Mama is just right here. Came from the farm. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes. So right now she was collecting here. Wow, guys, it's good to make our compound to look clean. And probably I think by morning I was cleaning the boho right now. Fab, Ngomong akor mong wajan ni jamu jatuh cekena mangambutin di mukanya. Maki berakor hayo tama nganga. Karena pun ada tiga kabira punya ni tamu. Tamu, mana ayo arah bagian di sini ada kau nama kobukop. Yeah guys, you know at the same time is making cleaners here. But ante mugus hiwe. Time. Ngumachi waterro ndi musikana kono ni chikovuko. Guys. Hai. Kutiando apa na matani kukor. Bukan orang dah kasih re. Guys. Was making cleanness in the borehole right I know here. Wow. Guys. Wow. When I'm around at home here, I do something called cleanness, you know, and I'm the guy who value our compound to be look so clean, you know. Wow. So right here, during daytime, guys, we didn't lock the borehole, guys, but at night we lock because right now everybody can access to fetch water. Guys, when you remember, if you were watching my video initially, I was putting in some trees like posts, you know, and then it was very delicate. But right now, oh, even I can sleep here. No worry, guys. Even I wanna sleep right now here. But it's alright. You have draw and then you step on top, you know, because it's meant for metallic. And also, this is the container used to fetch water there. Wow. So right now it's time to leave home and I'm going to wash my baby because right now it's totally dirty. I'm taking my bike to the car wash and then I wash them and then I come back home, you know. Wow. Guys, right now I'm outside and this is my cable right now here. This is my power bank. I'm going to charge my power bank at Nyabohanse so it can help me here and there. And then let me keep it here, you know. Keep it there. And then keep moving on. Imagine, guys, all the way from my home going to Nyabohanse, charging my phone, my power bank, I mean, heading straight. Keep moving on. Oh, let's go and see. they go. So guys, when I'm around at home here, I normally drive slowly. Like when I'm going far away, I'm supposed to wear the helmet, but within here, you know, that's Mezcon right there. Wow. We keep pushing. My video for today. Pushing. That house right there. Special gate. Hey, perimeter wall. Technically, people in my village here build their own homes, no competition, you know. So here must be very careful because there's some kids here. There's some kids here. I must drive careful. These are school right here. Hey. Let's go guys and see. And also some kids know me because most of the time I went to pay my brother and sister school fees, so they know me. Keep moving on, heading straight. These are rental houses right here. I'm telling you, keep moving on. Another is a rental right here. All the way from my home, come and charge my power bank here. Another story, guys. This is how Nyabuhansi looks like. Let's see what I can find electricity, guys, and let's charge my power bank. Let's see. That's how my baby looks like. Very dirty. Turn off the music, bro. Okay, guys. I don't like copyright, so this is my cable here. This is my charge and cable. And then I need to charge my power bank here. Yeah, so come I got secure. Say hello.
Hi guys. Welcome to Hello Baby Official. Official 01. My name is Joseph. Official 01. Please go check me out and subscribe.
Okay guys, so this is my power bank, so you can put for me to be charged. And also this is the business for Ken V254. Most of the time I charge my power bank here. I have also my friend on the other side. I charge there. Imagine, guys. But one day I'll get solar. One day I'll have my own solar in a charge. So right now it's charging, guys. You see, it's dim. Okay, bro. So right now maybe I'll take my bike to be washed, or I go to construction site because I see engineer outside there with the white shirts. Let's go and see. See right there, that's engineer. Anyway guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. So these are when I came to shave my hair, like down here. Okay. Oh guys, welcome at the Virginia's construction. Right here we have the steel bar. So let's see what is going on, and then I'm going to wash my bike or to wash my baby. And right here is the balance stones. Man, let me tell you, this one, it's so expensive. No joke right now here, because these are huge mega projects. Oh, hey. There's a day we tried to push this car from other side up this angle here. Man, we sweat a lot. We make exercise a lot. I think today it's supposed to be a range steel bar, because I see a lot of steel bar down. A lot of steel bar down. Means next week they wanna start putting concrete when it's advisable. Look, man, hey, this is D16. You see right here? No joke. No joke, man. No joke, no joke. Also plumbing are going on. So the PVCU elbow, special adhesive gundi, specially means plumbing are going on right here. So this, I think this D10, no D8. Wow. So this D10. Let's see. So this D10. D10. Hey. This is D10. So that's D8. Look. Those are huge mega projects right now. And this is a walkway up to other side. Maybe in future we have the gates on the iron sheet between this house and this wall. Right there we have the gates. See guys, right now the work that is going on here is to put steel bar. Means soon you wanna see people working so hard mixing concrete with a mixer. So right now let's go. Oh, maybe somebody who don't know will ask this one here, what's this? This is a sand right now here with a binding wire, so means that that's timber bending and then push it to be straight. People with technology. People with technology. So let's see what is going on. So in the future, this one will be the part of the store down here. Means maybe the person who is lucky to stay on this room here, they will be lucky to have a store. Let me show you. People will be lucky to stay on this house here, right here, up this pillar. They'll have a store there on the staircase. So guys, I'm going to the top. I want to see, even right now here, you can't pass. Like running here. Every it's post. Look. This side post. You must be very, very careful here. You know where there's construction going on, you must be very careful. Anyway guys, let's see some work. Very nice staircase. Oh. Look. So right now there's no, maybe I'll start climbing here. Right here. Oh. So these are putting paper to help no concrete going down. Today's work. Vipi man? They create something like a draft. Babu, mambo ni machuma tu. Hey, say hello.
Hello guys. I'm King Charles Kiroba 254.
Okay.
We are here struggling with this steel bar. Yes. These are very heavy work here.
Yes.
Very heavy. And you can see the sun is shining.
No, guys.
Can see.
There's the sun right there. Right,
So
there's the
here-
sun.
So here it's very hot. And you see this polythene is black. So it reflects it
Light.
to heat
Okay.
to us.
Guys, I was waiting this day and then right now finally it's rich. Ha. Yani nyumba ni Mungu tu.
So one,
Look. Guys, you can't see. Look. Hey, hey. Yay.
maete nyandi yoko beka wakora angalia kwa mekyo kwa rais akoko beka kurwali kwera na kwa beke yani kwa bango kora ndena kirechu
Right now here we have language barrier. I want to speak Kuria, I can speak Kisi, you know. We have Luo here. But this job creates people, bring people together as one unit. Look. Guys, plumbing that have been done here, look guys. Woo! And then here going down. Oh my god. Look at this. Whoa. Something crazy. Black Mamba. Say hello.
Hello guys. Hello baby Official. I'm happy for you to introduce me to your YouTube channel.
Yes.
My name is Black Mamba Blackie.
Okay.
You can just visit at my YouTube channel account at Black Mamba. Guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right now we are at the Pina construction site. As you can see the work, we are say arranging the reinforcement syllabus. Hope you have already shown them,
Yes.
but we are in the process. We are undergoing the alignment of this syllabus. As you can watch, the others as they are going to do.
Hey,
So guys, I'm gonna show that. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Black Mamba.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. It looks like a draft.
This is more brave.
Wewe mtaweka draft ya kwanza chini, draft ingine juu. Kombi.
This goes with the IQ.
IQ.
Twisting with your brain.
Quantity?
If you miss a single, we start afresh.
Yes, I know IQ means quantity ratio.
Intelligence quotient.
Yeah, that
You
one.
can handle it with
Yes.
care. Work with the care. So you can see here.
Akia Mungu.
So you can see here. If this passes upward, this passes downward.
Zingine zinapita chini, zingine juu. B12 ndo zinakaa juu.
Yes. Not all. See the 12 guys.
Okay.
Sasa
Alternate.
unaona iko juu. Hapa sasa hii ni D12. Sio? Sasa nyingine itakuja dala hapa juu.
D10.
D10. Sasa yeah.
Kubeba uzito. Simple mathematics, guys. Right now, you see mathematics is working. Mario. I'm good, bro. Yes. Guys, I was waiting this day and right now finally it's have already started. I hope Dev Junior, wherever you are in Diani, in Mombasa, I know right now you're in Mombasa, you're watching these videos. So you see the work that have been going on right now. It's steel bar, reinforcement steel bar. You know, putting steel bar like crazy. Guys, thank you so much. Go and check Dev Junior's out on YouTube channel. Subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, guys, what are you waiting for, guys? Subscribe. So right now he was not in the village. Probably he traveled to Mombasa, and you guys have been there watching the videos, joining his premiere. You see, and right now we keep showing him on camera how things go. Look guys how Nyabohanse looks like. Boom. And yesterday the market was being like revelized. Woo. Look. This is how Nyabohanse looks like. Like it looks like a small ghetto. You can tell from other side. Look. Woo. Oh man. And on this side, our neighbor back here, they were being rich. I remember in the 2003, 2004, 2005. Let me say from 2000, they were being totally rich in Nyabohanse. But nowadays, people are rich here, building. You know, and then he died in 2005 when I'm not wrong. Yay! Derondero.
Anotore.
Beautiful flowers, nice trees, you can see. Kirahi ke Harun. Asana na arute ke okay pe.
Okay babi. Haujui ina increase friction.
Sasa hapa inabidi kuwa na gumboot na gloves.
Fahari bro, hari ndio. Utateka tu mzungu
I tell this my brother here to have gloves because right now this steel bar to cut their hands, guys. Hey, it's dangerous. I'm telling you. Sasa injini hapo walifunga full. Hapa alifunga. Akosho kitu itakuja kupasuka. Charles Kiro. Lazima ujiulize huyu mtu. Hata kuponeshana. Hapo. Mtauliza injini kitu itakuja kublack. Ama ni ya maji. Sasa tafute basi mfuniko yake hapa. Wow, so nice flowers, you can tell right here. Look, woo. It's soft guys, soft. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Right now I just see the work for today. It's to reinforce steel bar and on this place here. And probably even on my house, when I'm going to build my mama dream house, I supposed to have this one roller. This one here. You know, this one. I supposed to have this one full roller. No pressure at all. You know. Supposed to have that one. I have a black mama to check in.
Bye.
Yes. Right here you have nails. Hey. Telling you guys, men at work. Even guys, try to look here. It's carved. Whew, look. Between here and here, it's near, closely. So guys, and right now this is the formwork of the staircase going to upstairs. Like, when it have been completed and put the concrete, it will look like this one down here. This one that you see here. I'm telling you, like it's an A shape. Boom, boom. You see guys, an A shape. Wow. Guys, right now I'm heading outside, taking my baby to the car wash. And then I need to be washed, doing that here and there. Wow, my good people, wherever you are, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And today, like every day, it has an activity going on. Like today, on my videos, a lot of activity going on here and there, right, left, center. People working at home, people working like how am I going to say this, on the indigenous construction. You will see, guys, and I must be here. Wow. So guys, thank you so much. We shall meet in the car wash, guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm heading to Border Town to wash my bike. And as I speak here, heading straight. Whoa! Up to Border Town, man. So I'm going to wash my bike. Letting up the car right there. Wow. Today it's a super calm, guys. We can't complain at all. And right now I'm going to Border Town as I speak here. So I'm going to wash my bike, and then guys, we'll see. You know. Hey, that building, man. Look at tall Perimeter Tower right there. Heading straight, big rocks. Wow, guys, let's go. Let's go. Hey, you see people on a motorbike. The crazy thing about in our village here, we use motorbike. Hey, that's a tuk-tuk or a KK right there. That's a matatu. Woo! Heading to Border Town. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Heading straight. Wow. Wow. Ha ha ha. Look, that road right here. I'm back. That's my Roman Catholic Church right there. Oh. Look that block, guys. That block right there. Woo. Hello, baby fish on the control. Up to Border Town, man. Imagine. Wow. Look that view right there. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. Hey. Guys, I'm going to share with you this story from here, and I'll probably keep in touch to subscribe and watch my videos. That's 50. The limit speed was 50 between here. Hey. Oh, metro station right there. Mercedes-Benz Scania. And I know Mercedes-Benz is a big machine, you know. And also BMW, Japanese machine. Okay guys, sorry, I supposed to delete one of my videos because my SD card is somehow full of the videos. Wow. Boom. And let's continue, guys. So this is border town right now. So everybody that outside to work so hard, heading straight. Let's go. Business everywhere, guys. Look even on this side here. Wow. You hear petrol station, you know. Yeah, people come with so many business ideas. Others are selling clothes right there, selling of the beds, welding, selling of the gas shop. Others are border rider. Imagine, guys, imagine, you know. Also, you have the bank. Wow. Let's go and see. Hey. Oh guys, I want to wash my bike right now here. Somehow mess, totally mess. Do I have cash? Yes. I think I have cash. So guys, I want to show you how the bike have been washed right now here. It's totally mess, man, because it's raining like 4 days, 4 to 3 days. Woo. You can even on this side here. Hey. Okay guys, stay tuned. I'll show you how they wash this bike. That's a Mazda. My dream car was a Mazda, guys. You know, like that one there. So it's turn off water. It's running down. Ah. Okay guys, thank you so much for the love and support. We shall meet on the next video tomorrow guys. Bye.